So now the next is keyword arguments, arbitrary keyword arguments. So let's go here, and we are having keyword arguments like this. Now we don't know how many keyword arguments will be passed into the function as an argument. So here we are using arbitrary keyword argument. Arbitrary keyword arguments are written as we need to write double star, and then we need to write uh, our parameter. Like we are having we'll say country. So we don't know how many countries we are going to pass, how many countries or how many cities, anything, how many keyword arguments we are going to pass. So we are saying country, so we will say country, and we are going to say it is country. So now we are going to say country, city, and the next one is country and district. So we need to give country in quotation. So here city in quotation, here district in quotation. If we run this, so here we are having the output. So this is how we can use arbitrary keyword arguments. So here this is a arbitrary keyword argument. So we don't know about how many arguments will be passed into uh, the function. So here we are passing three keyword arguments. We can pass more than three. Uh, like we say country one is USA, and country two is like Brazil. So if we print here, we'll say it is country, and here we are saying country one, and in the next one we are saying this is another country, and we are saying that this is country two. If we print this, so here we are having country, country, USA, Brazil. So if we don't know about how many arguments will be passed, then we can use arbitrary keyword argument. The next one is default parameter value. So let's remove this, and if we are saying that we are having a fruit, the fruit is mango. I like mango. So if we say that we will print fruit here, so we will print I like, and here we will say fruit. So if we call the function and we pass the arguments like apple, so the output will be I like apple. So here it is saying I like apple. But if we say that we are not passing any arguments and we are saying just func, and it will pass, it will give you output I like mango. So because we are not passing any argument, we are having a default parameter. So default parameter is fruit. uh, the default value for the fruit is mango. If we don't pass any argument, the fruit value will be mango. Let's say we are saying here uh, fruit, we will say fruit is orange. So if we pass fruit in this, so pause the video and think about it, what will be the output? Yes, the output will be orange. I like orange because we are passing orange. It is just like we are passing just orange string here. So let's see the next, that is return values. So we already discussed about return. So if we just write uh, return fruit. So if we print func, then it will return the fruit name. So here it is mango. So here this is how we can work with return values.